thought I'd just do this video just to, as a little introduction to my YouTube channel. So I'm 23 years old, I'm from the UK, and basically this channel is going to be based about cars in any way, shape, form that you can think of. I want to do automotive vlogs, go to different car meets, go to different car shows, do modifications, do different builds on different cars, taking delivery of new cars, I'd like to do that. And yeah, I thought I'd just introduce myself and do a little quick video, just basically saying welcome to my channel. Please leave a comment and like this video if you feel like you want to like this video. Don't worry about subscribing for the time being, because there's nothing else on my channel that's worthy about subscribing about. But if you do feel like you want to subscribe, then that would be greatly appreciated, and I'll love all the support that I can get and see how far we can take this channel, really. I'll leave the links to my Instagram and my TikToks in the link below. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you at future car meets and car shows, and hopefully you keep watching for plenty more videos to come. Thanks for watching. See ya.